Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to do a simple revision on our topic on place value. So let's begin our lesson for today. Our learning objective for today is we are going to identify between place value and value of each digit in a number. And our S2S for today, the first step is we are going to underline place value or value. I will show it. I will show this to you later on. Step 2 is we are going to label place value on the number. Step 3 is if the question is asking you place value, then you know that your answer is going to be in words. And then our step 4 for today is if the question is asking you for values, you are going to provide the answer in numbers or numerals form. So let us quickly recap our place value, which we have learned last year, starting from the smallest place value. And we all know from the back, starting with number 5, this is ones, followed by tens, hundreds, thousand, then we have 10,000, then we have 100,000, and we have the biggest place value as million or millions. So let's focus on place value first. I'm still using the same number from the previous slide, so let's just quickly label the place value using short form. O stands for ones, T stands for tens, H, small letter H, stands for 100. The big T stands for 1,000. The big TT stands for 10,000. And the big HT stands for 100,000. And the big M stands for million. Now, I'm putting a reminder over here. If it's asking for place value, then your answer is going to be in words. And if it's asking for value, your answer is going to be in numerals or numbers form. So the first question is, what is the place value of digit 9? So number 9 is right here, and we have labeled the place value right over here, and the answer is 10,000. Next question, the digit 3. The digit 3 is in, that's the digit 3, is in what place? So if you see the word place here, place value, then you know your answer is going to be in words. So 3 is in the tens place. As simple as that. Next, let's look at value right here, and I'm putting a reminder for everyone. When it's asking you for place value, then your answer is going to be in words. And if it's asking for value, your answers are going to be in numerals. So we're going to focus on value right here. So let's just quickly label the place value. So O stands for ones, small letter T, tens, H stands for 100,000, the big T, the big TT, 10,000, the big HT, 100,000, and the big M for millions. Now let's move on to the questions. What is the value of digit 9. Now this time it is asking you for value only, not place value. So you know your answer is going to be in numerals. Now let's look at where digit 9 is. Now 9 is right over here at the 10,000 place. So when it's asking you for value, all you got to do is you just take 9 and change the rest of the digit after 9 as 0. You do not need to worry about the numbers before 9. Okay? So only the digit after 9, you have to change them to 0. So the answer is 90. Oops. 90,000. There we go. Next one, the digit 1 in the number 1,897,235 has a value. Remember, it's asking you for value, and value here means numerals, has a value of. So same thing. I'm just gonna erase that over here. So it's asking you for digit 1, and 1 is right here in the million place. So we're going to take 1, and then we're going to change all the numbers after 1 as 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. There we go. So the answer is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, which is 1 million. As simple as that. Now we're going to look at the types of examples the exam will ask you on place value and value. As usual, I'm putting a reminder over here so you know that when it's asking for place value, your answer going to be in words. When it's asking for value, your answer is going to be in numerals. So example 1, in 78,052, the digit 8 is in what place? So you can see the word place here. So you know your answer is going to be in words. So it helps if you label your place value first. So 2, you know that's ones, 5 as tens, 0 as 100, 8 as 1,000, and 7 as 10,000. So the digit 8 is in the what place? Digit 8 is right over here, and it's in the thousand place. So your answer in words is 1,000. Next, the value of digit 2 is, now it's asking you about value, so you know your answer is going to be in numerals. So the value of digit 2 is, let's look at 2. 2, it's in the ones place, so the answer is just 2 because there are no more numbers after 2. Number 2, the place value of 7 in 567,087 is, I realized that I just made a mistake right here. Let's change this number right here to 3. Okay, so that's not 7. So now we have 567,083 as first thing first, it helps if you label the place value. So here as ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, and 100,000. So the place value here, it means words. So where is 7? 7 is in the thousand place. Then your answer in word is gonna be 1,000. Next, the value. See the keyword right there? The keyword is value, so you know your answer is gonna be in numerals. Of digit 3 is, again, it helps if you label the place value, so that will be O stands for ones, T stands for tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000. So you're going to take 3 because it's asking you for 3 and it's asking you for value. Here value means numerals. So you take 3 and make the rest of the numbers as 0. So there you go. Your answer is 300,000. So let us quickly recall our learning objective and S2S for today. Our learning objective for today is we uh, are identifying between place value and value of each digit in a number. Our S2S for today is the first one. We underline the keyword if it's asking you for place value or value, and it always helps if you label the place value on the number or above the number. And if it's asking you place value, then your answer are going to be in words. If it's asking you for value, your answer are going to be in numbers. For today's exercise, for those of you who have bought the orange book, the Towards PSR Mathematics Year 5, you can turn to page 5, and today's exercise is on practice number 5 only. Don't forget to write down today's day and date, and you can write them down either in pen or pencil. I really don't mind. Now, for those of you who have not bought the book yet, this is or, yeah, this is not and. So it's either you you do the exercise in your orange book, or if you do not have the book yet, you can do it online. I have given the link on WhatsApp, so you can click on those things. It will link you to live worksheet as usual. Take a piece of paper for you to do your working and do it step by step, following the S2S. And as usual for submission, you need to answer all questions first, and then you need to click on finish at the bottom of the page, and then click on email answers to my teacher, and then you need to fill in your details. This tab will pop up. You just need to enter your full name, your level, either you are 5A or 5B, and then school subject is mathematics, and you need to send it to my email. That's teachersidikarosley@gmail.com. That's it for today. Good luck, everyone. If you have any questions or problem, you can always contact me on my WhatsApp number privately. Thank you. Bye.